Many people don't know how to change their Facebook page name. If you want to change your Facebook page name, this video is for you. For one reason or the other, you might want to change your Facebook page name. Maybe your Facebook page name does not match up with the content you are creating. Or maybe you have changed your niche. That means the type of content you are creating before is not the same content you are creating right now, and you may like to change your Facebook page name for the content to match up with the name of your page. So if that's the case, this video is for you. Watch this video to the end and I will show you step by step on how to change your Facebook page name successfully. As you are watching this video, like and comment, share this video for more people to watch, and follow my page for more information on how to grow your Facebook page, your TikTok account, your Instagram account, your YouTube channel, and also how to trade crypto and make money online.
This is how to change your Facebook page name. So the first thing you do is you open your Facebook profile, then you come here, you click on your profile picture here. Once you click on it, it will open something like this. So once you open something like this, you click here. You click here to select the particular page you want to change the name. So here I'm selecting Sharp100 token. So I'll click here and select this page. This is the page I want to change the name. So after you have clicked on the page I want to change the name, you also click on this picture again. Click on this profile picture here with the 3 lines. So I'll click on it. Then once you click on it, you go down, you click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy, you click on it. Then after you click on settings and privacy, you will see something like this. Then you click on this settings again. Click on settings again. Okay, so click on settings. It's open like this. You see this page will pop up, this interface will come up. So you scroll down, you go down small, and you click on page setup. Click on this page setup. So when you click on page setup, we see something like this. So once you click on it, the next thing you have to click is you click on view. You can see name Sharp100, you see name. You see, click on this view. Click on this view button. So you wait for it to load. As you can see, this is the name of my page name. So you delete the current name on it, then you can type whatever being the name you want to use. Let's just say I want to use you just type just any single name at all. YouTube on Richard Do Show. I just put this name now. So the next thing you do is that you click on review changes. So you click on this review changes. When you click on this review changes, it will ask you to enter your password. To ask you to enter your password here, so you have to type in a password, and after you have typed in your password then you click on save changes. So once you click on this save changes, it will save automatically. The name will change and it can become the new name. There's one thing I want you to understand here. Once you change this name, you won't be able to change it again in next 60 days. So you can only change your Facebook page name. As you can see it here, you can only change your Facebook page name once in 60 days. So if I've changed your Facebook page name in last 60 days, you won't be able to change it until after 60 days. So please share this video, like and comment, and follow my page for more updates. Please follow this page and share this video for more people to watch.